Last year, Honor made a big splash by revealing the Honor Magic V2 in the market. Because it's Magic V2, which at that time was the thinnest foldable smartphone on the market, measuring a 9.9mm in its folded state and 4.7mm when unfolded. And today Honor announced its successor, the Honor Magic V3, which offers upgrades across the board in a slimmer and lighter body. So the Honor Magic V3 now measures just 9.2mm thick, camera bump not included in its folded state, and comes out to 4.35mm when you unfold its 7.92 inches main screen. Honor slimmed down its flagship foldable by utilizing an upgraded hinge mechanism, which is just 2.84mm thick and is rated at 5 lakh folds. Even more impressively, the Magic V3 weighs just 226 grams, that's 13 grams less than the newly launched Galaxy Z Fold 6 and on par with bar phones like the Magic 6 Pro. Anyway, the Magic V3 features a 6.43 inches LTPO cover screen with Full HD Plus resolution, a 1:120Hz refresh rate. It's got a 20.9 aspect ratio, which should help with the general use and typing. It's also rated for 25 nits peak brightness and sports stylus input just like last year's Magic V2. The main display, however, is also of the LTPO OLED variety and measures a 7.92 inches. It's also got Full HD Plus resolution, a 1:120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and is rated at up to 1800 nits of peak brightness. Honor also added a side-mounted ultra-narrow capacitive fingerprint sensor from Godex, which allows for the faster fingerprint enrollment. Magic V3 brings Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is paired with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of the UFS 4.0 storage. And despite its slim and lightest profile, Honor still managed to fit a larger vapor chamber cooling system inside the Magic V3, which is incredible. Anyway, the back houses a triple camera system with a 50MP main shooter with optical image stabilization, and other 50MP periscope camera with 3.5x optical zoom, and a 40MP ultra wide angle lens. The cover and the main screen also houses 20MP front-facing cameras. The Magic V3 packs a 5150 mAh of the silicon carbon battery with 66W wired and 50W wireless charging. With that said, alongside the Magic V3, which is now the new world's thinnest foldable smartphone, Honor also launched the Honor Magic VS3. And while this one is thicker, it's also incredibly thin, down to 9.8mm when folded and 4.65mm thick when unfolded. So basically, it's 0.1mm thinner than the Honor Magic V2 launched last year, which up until today was the world's thinnest foldable. That makes the VS3 the world's second slimmest smartphone at the moment. So Honor just launched two world's thinnest foldable smartphones in the market. Anyway, this smartphone is cheaper as compared to the Magic V3 because it's a little bit lower when it comes to the specs. It's basically powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and weighs 229 grams. The inner folding screen is 7.92 inches and the cover display is 6.43 inches with 1060 by 2376 resolution. The Magic VS3 runs Android 14 with the Magic OS 8 on top. It has a 50MP main camera, a 40MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and an 8MP telephoto camera for the 5x optical zoom. And for selfies, there are two identical 16MP shooters on each display. The phone has a 5000 mAh of battery with 66W wired and 50W wireless charging support. Plus, design-wise, the phone seems pretty unique, especially the camera layout stands from the crowd. So which phone do you like the most? Let me know in the comment section below.